Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to be putting a mainspring in a barrel. A while ago I did a video on repairing a mainspring, and in that video I didn't really show how to put it back in the barrel because I thought people would not be interested in it, but I was wrong because people were interested in it. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope I stay in frame, because it's kind of like, it's not a straightforward procedure. It can be straightforward, but like sometimes there's there's a few moments of doubt in there. Mostly like, is it going to go in or not? But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Quickly want to mention, I'm going to do it by hand. There are machines for this, for putting mainsprings in the main barrel, but I find that these machines have quite a lot of setup work. You do lose some time with it, and like if it goes, it goes in. Definitely for like smaller barrels, it's sometimes handy to have a machine. I have one. Might show that in another video. Well, probably should show that in another video, but for today we're going to do it by hand. So I'm going to start by gearing up, putting on my gloves, because if the mainspring goes flying or the barrel goes flying, I do want to be wearing gloves. And then another thing that's really important is you need to put the mainspring in the right way, and I'm going to do that by aligning it with the hook. So on the barrel, on the axle in the barrel, there is a small hook, and you want it to catch behind it like that. No, this is the inside. So yeah, we want it to catch like this. So that means that I gotta start like this. Okay, so let's get started. So for the start, it's always a bit. That can be the hardest part because you need to push it in. And make sure you get a good start. But yeah, we got it. Now during this, it's really important that you always keep like one finger on the mainspring at all time to make sure it doesn't just fly out. Now this is the point where like you start building up the force, and like if you can't hold it at this point, you're screwed. Come on. Yes. Almost there. I'm going to bend the hook. So now the spring is in. I just gotta bend this over to the center because I worked on it. It's not the right way anymore. But yeah, once I got that in the center, I'm going to show you how to close it. And yeah, that will be it then. So, see you in a bit. So, I bent the mainspring, so now the hook catches. So, now we're going to put the lid on. We're going to put the lid on in the vise. That's basically the only way. Because I'm using a vise without like any like patterns on it, it's safe to just put it in there. If you have one of those with like patterns to make it grip better, I do recommend you put some sacrificial plates. So now it is closed at the bottom. Let's move it a bit closer. So now it is closed at the bottom. So now I'm going to release it, turn it around and hope it doesn't pop open again. No. Okay. Now it is nice and closed. So now it's important that you get the key and try to wind it before you mount it, just as like a last check. So, and that's why we do last checks, because the lid popped right off. Okay, let's try that again. So yeah, the lid does seem to be too small. Yep. Okay. That's going to be an interesting repair. So, well, I don't know if it's going to be one video. I'll annotate it if it's going to be another video. But, yeah, I need to fix that. I don't know why exactly. Because it was closed when I got it, or it's so damaged from... Because this is the clock when I did the video, when the mainspring breaks, where the lid was popped off. So it might be that. Okay. So yeah, let's see what we can do about this. Hello everyone, here you are again with the mainspring barrel. The lid is secure now, doesn't pop out. So what did I end up doing? It was actually pretty easy. It wasn't that, like, the edge was still a clean edge. It had just, I think, expanded a bit from the lid popping off when the mainspring broke. So what I ended up doing is I just ended up taking a punch like this and placing it like right at the edge here, because there's basically like there's a lid formed. So basically on a lid they basically made a cut a bit off here, so it's like it rests on the lip, the cover rests on the lid, and basically I put my on the outside, I put my punch right on the edge, so I just went around, all the way around, and I punched the material, like, the edge a bit, like, inwards. So now the lid is secure, it won't come out, and it is ready to be put in the clock. So, yeah. that was it. Well, this video was originally just going to be how to put the mainspring in the barrel, but we got something extra. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.